Hello everyone, it's Nicole Martel. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm working with the July sketch to create this layout. I'm using the main kit, which features Simple Stories Sweet Summertime collection. It's a fun collection. It can go either way for summer or spring, and I'm using it for a spring layout. And I did cut the floral print to measure 8.5 by 11 paper, that paper, and then the other print with the trees, that's cut to measure 7.5 by 6 inches, and the red paper is measured 6.5 by 5 inches. And then I wanted to use the trees for the bottom because I want to layer those the die cuts with that, as well as the foam stickers to create a fun design. So I'm just going to mat this. I printed out two 3x4 photos using my Canon selfie, and I'm just going to leave them attached. I matted it with the cherry print paper just to add a little bit more color and design, and then I created this banner, and I'm moving it around because I wasn't sure where I want to put it. Based on the sketch, it's usually pointed down, but I want to make it my own, so I'm going to do this instead. I'm going to cut out the tag from the cut apart sheet and punch a hole in there, and this is going to go at the top there. And as you can see, using a sketch makes this process super simple. I pretty much followed the sketch closely, with the exception of the bottom part, using the paper to add more elements on there, but you get the idea. You can turn a sketch sideways, upside down. You could do so much with a sketch. You can just take some things from the sketch that you want to use and leave the other parts out. It's totally up to you. It's just a starting point to get those ideas going. I'm going to go ahead and add some string to the tag, which I like to do. And then I'm going to start looking through my stickers and my die cuts to see what else I want to add. I do want to fill in that space at the top. I just don't know what I want to do. But I do want to use the outside foam sticker title and the Let's Go. I'm going to pop this up with the foam strips just so the top part isn't hanging down and it lays flush against the title. And then I'm going to add the sticker border right under here, like so. And then I'm just trying to get my thoughts together, what I want to do. I love the trees, they're so fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a tree that layers against the other one and pop it up with foam strips just to add dimension there. And it covers that exactly the same size, so I love when that happened. I like the flowers, but I feel like it was a bit too much for this layout because I don't want to overdo it with embellishment. And the little house, I really love this, so I'm going to pop this one here with foam strips just to add dimension. And then I like this flower cluster. I wanted to add something at the top, but it's not going to work. So I'm just moving things around. I'm going to put this here. And I'm just building the layers on the bottom there. I don't like that. I'm going to take that off. Okay, so I like the sun that I used on a different layout. I cut it in half. I'm just going to tuck this behind there. And I do like to do that. I cut some embellishments in half that you can. That works, like flowers and sun and, you know, just certain elements that you can use the other half for another layout. And that wheelbarrow is too cute. I love how that bottom turned out. It's really cute. Love all the different elements there. And it really does look like a spring layout. And then I like the butterfly. I think I'm going to fussy cut that out, but I'm going to wait for a second. And this little birdie, I'm going to add him on the bottom. So cute. Alright, let's see. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do. I'm going to add some ladybugs here just to fill in that space. I keep wanting to add some more flowers up there, but these are a little too big. But I feel like the top is missing something. So I'm going to go ahead and add some tag, another tag up here, and just put that there. And next I'm going to go ahead and cut some more string and pop that in there as well. And then I'm going to look through and see what else I have. I'm going to staple the string so it does not move. And then I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut that butterfly. I'm going to add the cloud foam sticker there. And then I was looking to see if I wanted to add another ladybug on there, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to find something else to do. And then I was looking at the cut apart tags and journaling cards to see if there's anything I can fussy cut using the elements on the layout. So I'm going to go ahead and carefully cut the butterfly out, and I'm cutting off the white space as well so that it's completely blue, and then I'm going to go ahead and glue this slightly off the cloud. And I'm just going to glue it at the center only so that the wings pop up off the layout. And then I'm just looking for other things I can add. I'm going to add a ladybug at the bottom of the layout. And then I'm still looking at the top there. I feel like it's still missing something. So I'm going to cut this banner out, and I'm going to cut a little bit of the white space off. And I'm going to pop that right at the left side to fill in that space. And I think that's really just what I needed to pull this together, is a little something up there. And I really like how that looks. It kind of balances everything out. And because the bottom is embellishment heavy, I had to put some more embellishments at the top to kind of make it all have a nice balance to it. And I just love how this just turned out so cute. It's such a cute little collection. I love it. I'm going to cut this sentiment out. I'm going to cut it into a banner, and then I'm going to tuck it at the top there, slightly behind the flowers. And that's it. Look at that. So quick and easy. It took me 16 minutes using a sketch. Thanks so much for watching today, and check out my other layout in the playlist. Take care.